In Tana River County, change is on the horizon as families receive clean cooking stoves that promise to revolutionize their daily lives. Powered by the vision of UNDP Kenya, this initiative is reducing harmful emissions, improving health, and fostering sustainability. This distribution and others in counties like Laikipia, Machakos, Nairobi, and Kajiado are lighting the path towards a cleaner, healthier Kenya. This distribution is part of the Accelerated Clean Cooking Action Project, a transformative initiative driven by UNDP Kenya and its partners. By bringing clean cooking solutions to more than 10,000 households across Kenya, this project is paving way for healthier communities and a greener planet. Here in Tana River County, these clean cooking stoves symbolize more than just a new way of cooking. They represent opportunity and empowerment.
Nashukuru watu wa UNDP kwa kutuletea jiko ya kisasa, jiko ile ambao itapika vizuri, haina moshi. Kwa ajili samani bibi yangu alikuwa anatumia jiko la kuni ambao la moshi mwingi, macho kuwa mekundu, lakini sasa macho mekundu haitakuwa tena. Jiko zuri hii.
This is more than just a stove. It's Kenya's commitment to achieving clean cooking access by 2028. Through partnerships with the government, community organizations, and donors, we are not only improving lives but also addressing climate change and environmental sustainability. It's a privilege for UNDP Kenya to be part of this transformative journey.
This distribution demonstrates the power of collaboration. With generous support from the government of Japan and leadership from the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, this initiative is made possible by the collective efforts of Practical Action, Community Road Empowerment, and the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. Together, we are igniting a revolution in clean cooking, improving lives, and protecting the planet.